Hey guys, today I want to talk about the Sensorklear loupe and the Lenspen version 2. Basically, as wedding photographers, when we're switching out lenses on the job or whatever, you tend to get dust inside your camera. Now, if you can send your camera in every time to get it clean, great, but you know, we need a system. If we have weddings week to week, back to back, and there's a piece of dust in there, we need to be able to get it out. Usually the Giotto blower works. You just put your camera and mirror up, take your little rocket blower and turn it upside down and blow, 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 right? And then the dust will come out. But there's two types of dust. There's sticky dust and non-sticky dust. So if there's a piece of dust in there, you can't get it out with the blower. I mean, that thing gives the right amount of air, right amount of pressure to not damage your sensor, right? But sometimes you gotta dig a little deeper. So what we like to use in between our regular cleans is the Sensorklear loupe and the Lenspen. We talk about this here for a second. It's a loupe and it magnifies it 6 times. And it has LED lights on the inside, if you can see that. And then on the top side is a magnifying glass, 6 times magnifying glass with a height adjustment. And the most important thing, the coolest thing that I like about this one is that it's got an opening on the side. So we go into our camera, put the mirror up, place this on top of the camera hole, lens hole, and then we get to look at it, but at the same time you get to go in there with your lens pen and just kind of like dig out the, actually you're not digging out, you're actually just pushing aside the dust, you're just loosening it. But the cool thing about it is that you can actually see what you're doing. Instead of getting a loupe, looking where it is, going in there blindly, doing it, and then coming back and seeing if you got it done. So let me show this to you guys real fast. I got a Nikon D700 right here. I'm gonna go into the wrench in the menu. Lock mirror up for cleaning. Okay. Mirror's up. So I'm gonna go in there. Just place this on top. So now I'm in there. I got the LEDs lighting it up. So I take my Sensorklear pen right here and I can go in there, see the dust that I want to touch, and I basically just give it a little nudge. I'm not scrubbing at it, I'm not wiping it, I'm just kind of like nudging it off to the side because that piece of dust is stuck to the sensor. So I'm just nudging it, taking it off, and then once I'm done nudging all of the dust, I take it off, get my blower, and just blow. Dust comes out, I come back, you know, check it out. Everything looks good. There, I'm done. Again, I'm not saying this replaces like professional clean. I think you should get your cameras clean at least once a year. Get a regular maintenance and checkup on all your gear. But this will take care of dust spots that you find or that has gotten in there, you know, in between your jobs or events and you can't get your camera out to go get it clean. So check it out. It's the Lenspen Sensorklear loupe. Sensorklear Lenspen, and the 6 times LED and the opening here. That's what's really important here. And the articulating head of the pen is super important. That's why I love this Sensorklear Lenspen 2, because when you go into the opening on the Sensorklear loupe, you can articulate the arm, get in there without, and get into like weird spots and angles and whatever. But that's it, guys. Check out the link to the blog post in the comments below to see more pictures and read more information on this stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Shuttertastic. Visit our website, shuttertastic.com. That's it for now. See you guys later.